Welcome back. We now have some breaking news for you, which has essentially been days in the making ever since Thursday's horrific incident. We're learning that Bollywood superstar Saif Ali Khan has now been discharged from the hospital. Reportedly, all of the formalities are complete. Those are the visuals on your screens that you can see at this point. You might not be able to see much, but the information that we can give you is that Saif Ali Khan has now been discharged. This comes days after the horrific incident where an intruder had broken into his Bandra residence, essentially, and attacked Saif Ali Khan when he had charged into the room where his son was located. That was Jay in particularly. But good news for fans and for those who have been tracking the developments in connection with this case. He's now been discharged from the hospital. Reportedly, he is being accompanied, of course, by Kareena Kapoor Khan, his wife. And we will continue to track the developments here. But this, of course, does mean that he is in a better condition from what it was a few days ago. Remember, he had been stabbed at least 6 times. 2 of those injuries were deep. One was located near his neck, one was located near his spine as well. He even had to undergo about 2 hours of neurosurgery, and he also underwent multiple other surgeries as well, totaling for about 5 hours of surgery that he had to go through in total. But good news, he has been discharged from the hospital at this point. We're crossing over to my colleague Abhishek, who's joining us from outside of Leelavati, from where Saif Ali Khan has been discharged. Abhishek, over to you. All right, we'll try to reestablish that connection with my colleague there. But as far as the probe is concerned, remember the main accused has been arrested, was arrested just a few days ago from Maharashtra itself, specifically from Thane. And recently, the police, in their next steps in the investigation, what they've done is they have recreated the crime scene at Saif Ali Khan's residence. All right, we seem to have reestablished that connection with my colleague who's on the ground tracking the developments here. Abhishek, you're joining us from outside of Leelavati Hospital. We're now learning that Saif Ali Khan has been discharged. What more can you bring us?
The formalities have been completed. We are standing right outside Leelavati Hospital, and you can clearly see the buzz around. All the media personnel are here at both the gates, and we are reporting from the out gate from where his car will be coming out. What we can tell to our viewers as of now is Kareena Kapoor has left in one of the cars, but Sharmila Tagore and her Shara Ali Khan both are still inside. And what we are expecting is that in few minutes or so, Saif Ali Khan will also be coming out. At the same time, the formalities have completed of him getting discharged, and accordingly, what we are waiting for is the glimpse of Saif Ali Khan, who stayed here for almost 5 days after the brutal attack that took place on 16th of January, and he is now recovered. He is now given discharge, but as formalities complete, he will be coming out soon. You can clearly see, I'll tell my cameraman to zoom the gate over there, from where you will be seeing that Saif Ali Khan might exit at any moment. And this is the place, Leelavati Hospital, where he was earlier operated, was placed in ICU for at least 48 hours. Then he was shifted to normal room, and after routine checkup and routine follow-up, he is being allowed discharge today. Formalities have been completed, and we all are waiting for him to come out and have the glimpse of Mr. Saif Ali Khan, who survived the brutal attack which took place on him. Back to you.
Absolutely. Abhishek, while we do wait for that moment, which many people have been waiting for, considering that everybody's been pretty worried about the condition that he's been in, one of his injuries was pretty grave. It was near the spinal cord, and there was spinal fluid which was also leaking. But bring us more details on what is expected next. Have the doctors recommended anything as far as physiotherapy is concerned, whether there are going to be any long-term effects of the attack that occurred?
You will have to understand, after the surgery itself, doctors have cleared it that it was fortunate enough that that knife didn't hit the spinal cord exactly. And the spinal fluid, which was the cause of concern, that was immediately operated upon, surgery was done, and it was made properly. It was properly closed, I would say. But at the same time, being that spinal cord, it is very sensitive, and that's the reason even doctors took him under observation for 48 hours, and then they made him walk to ascertain that everything is fine. And then, as per the routine checkups and as per the routine medicine that has been given to him, he's been advised to discharge. But definitely, physiotherapy and several other exercises will definitely follow as advised by the doctors. But we will have to remember one thing. Doctor had said that when he came as a lion, and he was later operated, then shifted to ICU. After ICU, he was then shifted to the normal ward, normal room, and today finally he will be getting discharged after the 5 days. So you can understand, what the family has gone throughout this, a huge trauma. But definitely, why it's taking so long? Definitely, there are security concerns. You can imagine. I'll tell my cameraman to show you. We media are only at a huge numbers at respective places. I'm present outside the out gate. There are several multiple gates, and you can imagine the crowd as well as the media out here and the traffic. And that's the reason a certain plan is being made by Mumbai Police as well as the private security of Saif Ali Khan, so that there would be a smooth exit from Leelavati Hospital to wherever he wants to go, Sadhguru Saran or the nearby apartment where he earlier used to live. So definitely that could be one of the reasons, because Kareena Kapoor, who already left, may be having a plan that where he needs to be shifted. Second, Sara Ali Khan and Sharmila Tagore both are inside, and they will be accompanying Saif Ali Khan as he gets formalities are done as he walks out from Leelavati Hospital. Back to you.
Abhishek, do remain with us. When we talk about the motives that have come to light ever since this attack took place on Thursday morning itself in the early morning hours, one motive that's been talked about is robbery. Another motive that's been talked about, possibly as an angle that cannot be ruled out, is international conspiracy, considering that the main accused who has been apprehended is reportedly a Bangladeshi national, a migrant reportedly. So when we talk about motives, when we talk about the risk to Saif Ali Khan and his family, what do we know about how this is going to change his personal security going forward?
See, definitely, what we need to understand at this given point of time, that everything is a part of investigation. And successfully, Mumbai police has apprehended the accused, and one after the other, they are doing and gathering. They got the police custody of the 5 days, and they have already done the recreation by which they could gather a lot of evidences, including the fingerprint, which has matched, which we can tell. And at the same time, while the investigation was proceeding, it also came out that the accused is a Bangladeshi national, and at the same time that needs to be proven in court. So in that regards also evidences are being collected. But what exactly happened on that day, what transpired, and how the attack took place, so all that was recreated yesterday early in the morning, and this is how the probe is going on. But at the same time, what we need to understand is what will be crucial is the statement by Saif Ali Khan himself. But whether the doctors allow police to take his statement today itself or a day after, definitely he will be the crucial piece of evidence that Saif Ali Khan, who was being attacked, identify the accused. One. Second, the statement, what happened at that given point of time as narrated by Saif Ali Khan, definitely will play a crucial role for Mumbai police to take the probe further. So, all these things and are pending on the lines, but at the same time, what best Mumbai police can do with the accused in police custody, interrogation still continues, recreations are going on, and also the international angle that has come up Probe is also taking place in that line, and also police is gathering evidence when it comes to the Bangladeshi angle. And moreover, with respect to the Bangladeshi angle, politics in the state of Maharashtra has also started. So definitely we will have to understand Mumbai police is not leaving any stone unturned at this given point of time to gather all such evidences that make their case watertight against the attacker and give justice to the Khan family who were in trauma from the day since the attack took place. So definitely we'll have to wait for that moment where Saif walks out from this hospital. Formalities are completed. Sharmila Tagore and Sara Ali Khan are still inside. They will be accompanying Saif Ali Khan. Earlier we saw Kareena Kapoor leaving from the hospital, going to make certain arrangements at the place where Saif will be moving ahead. So definitely fast-paced developments taking place, Mumbai police doing their job. At the same time, doctors of Lilavati Hospital have done their job. Now it's time to Saif to go out from this hospital and take ample amount of rest, do exercise as directed by the doctors, physiotherapy as directed by the doctors. Whether he goes back to the same residence is something we'll have to closely monitor. But what we are understanding, he might go to other residence which is close by where he used to live earlier. So definitely, again, I would like to show my cameraman to show you the buzz around Lilavati Hospital and what we are expecting soon, that along with Sara Ali Khan and Sharmila Tagore, Saif Ali Khan might be out at any given point of time. Back to you.
All right, Abhishek, do remain with us while we wait for that moment when Saif Ali Khan does finally walk out of the hospital there. Shrishti, what we're showing our viewers at this point, these are visuals from Lilavati Hospital, where Saif Ali Khan has been lodged for the last few days, ever since that attack occurred. Give us more about what we can expect going forward as far as the probe is concerned, considering that the police at this point do have custody of the main accused. And now that Saif Ali Khan is out, we're also going to be expecting them to record a statement.
Well, of course, Saif Ali Khan will be getting discharged soon. Kareena has left from this particular house of theirs. Earlier, Saif and Kareena used to reside over here. Now also they stay over here. There are high chances that they will be shifting in this building, which is Fortune Heights, which is just 73 meters away from the earlier building. There are high chances that they will be shifting in this building. Discharge will be given soon to Saif Ali Khan. Importantly, the probe has been initiated by Bandra police, and what they are expecting is that there should be more details that this particular accused will tell them, because importantly he has done the recce of the entire area, and not only of Saif Ali Khan's residence but also of other film stars in the vicinity as well. Now this is a particular building where exactly the scene was recreated by Bandra police station. They got the accused here and they asked him how he has climbed up, how he entered the society, what exactly was the time, what exactly was modus operandi of this particular accused, and all those details were asked to that particular accused by Bandra police, and they are continuously questioning him and investigating the entire matter. However, just soon, within 10 to 15 minutes, what we are expecting is that Saif Ali Khan will get discharged and he will be coming to his residence. And it's not sure yet that he will be coming here at Fortune Heights or the earlier apartment itself, Sadhguru Sharan. But of course, Kareena has left from their house. She will be reaching to hospital soon, and then Saif will be brought home. And importantly, after this, after he comes back home, there are high chances that Bandra police will record his statement, and his record will be crucial for the entire investigation. It's just 5 days of custody for Bandra police, and they have to bring in a lot of details regarding the case. What Saif says will be very crucial, because there are statements which has been given by the nanny who was present in that particular room when the entire attack happened. The police will be investigating and recording the statement of Saif Ali Khan, and that would be a crucial part of the investigation.
So, Shristi, when we talk about the police's role in this and the investigation that's being conducted, what about the aspect of the threat assessment? Do we know if there's going to be any further police deployment to ensure that the building security is well taken care of, considering that this took place while guards were sleeping? There was no proper maintenance of visitor data as well. So, will the police be deploying personnel to ensure that the safety of Saif Ali Khan and his family and other residents are taken care of?
Well, that remains to be seen as of now, because for past few days, obviously Mumbai police is there in the house of Saif Ali Khan, because they were investigating the matter. They were continuously going and coming to this particular building of Saif Ali Khan, which is in plush area like Bandra. But we have to see if they will be deploying any other police official for the safety of Saif Ali Khan, and we have also to see a part that whether he will be also applying for a special security in terms of giving out the application to Mumbai police, and then will it be deployed? That remains to be seen. But of course, what we can understand from our sources, that the private security of Saif Ali Khan will be upgraded by his end itself.
All right, Shristi, thank you so much for joining us and getting us those details. I'd also like to thank my colleague Abhishek for joining us outside of Lilavati Hospital. We'll continue to track the developments here. We're waiting for that moment for when Saif Ali Khan does finally emerge. He's officially been discharged and all formalities are completed at this point. He is being accompanied by Sharmila Tagore as well as Sara Ali Khan as well. I'll continue to track the developments here, but right now we'll be taking a look at our super fast news segment.